Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today is Wednesday, February 22nd, 2023, and let's take a look at how the coins are doing. We have prices trading a little bit lower today, also yesterday, mainly due to macroeconomic conditions. We had Bitcoin trading at $23,644, Ethereum $1,607. Looking at the top 10 coins, Tether still at number 3, BNB number 4, USDC number 5, XRP number 6, Cardano number 7, Binance, BUSD number 8, Polygonmatic number 9, and Dogecoin number 10. All right, and in some news here, we have an article here from Decred talking about Coinbase and their latest earning report. Basically, Coinbase reports revenue increase in fourth quarter despite FTX collapse. The article said that the leading crypto exchange in the US reported sales that came in above analyst expectation. And that is great news for Coinbase. However, let's take a look at the big overall picture here. Basically, the article says company sales total 605 million in his fourth quarter, beating analyst expectation that anticipated revenue will come in around 588 million. So analysts were expecting a lesser revenue, but they beat that expectation. However, the article also talks about their overall decline. So basically, it says that Coinbase had a 75% decline compared to the 2.5 billion in revenue that Coinbase is closed in the same period just a year ago. So that is a huge drop, even though they were positive for the quarter and they increased revenue a little bit more than what analysts were expecting. They still are 75% of what they did in the previous year. And on another paragraph here in the article, it talks about that difference in their profitability as well. So basically says the leading cryptocurrency exchange in the US lost 557 million during this final quarter last year. The company performance stretched annual losses in 2022 of $2.6 billion compared to a profit of $3.6 billion in 2021. So imagine in 2021 they were profitable and their profit was $3.6 billion. Well, 2022 was a complete different story because they not only lost a lot of money, they weren't profitable, but they actually lost money to the tune of $2.6 billion. So we'll see what is in store for Coinbase. Obviously there is a lot of regulation that is going on lately, which I think is going to affect their business practices. However, they are claiming that they are in a really good position to deal with all of those regulations. And we'll see if they make it. Obviously, it's great that they at least are surviving until now. However, the article also goes on saying that they need the crypto prices increase and also the trading value increase in order to be able to become profitable again. Obviously, for any company, being unprofitable is not a good sign, and you can only go and do business like that for some time. They cannot last like this forever. So hopefully they'll make it, and with the bull market coming up, they can again be profitable. All right, so on another news, this is regarding NFTs. As you know, we have been following NFTs up here in this channel, and it says here in this article also from Decred that Uniswap traders can now buy NFTs with Uni, SHIB, or any Ethereum token. So in my opinion, I think that this is a great move on behalf of Uniswap. Basically, the article said that Uniswap NFT traders can now use any Ethereum blockchain, such as stablecoins like USDC or Tether, or even our meme coin like Shiba Inu, to purchase NFTs through a simplified interface. So basically, if you are in OpenSea and you are interested in purchasing an NFT, and you have some crypto but it's all over the place, meaning that you have like different type of cryptos and you need to do all the exchanges in order to be able to raise enough Ethereum to purchase the NFTs. Well, now you're gonna be able to do it just in a very simple way using the Uniswap platform. So you don't need to do all the exchanges that normally people will have to do. And it says up here with this tool, what they really are looking to do is that for existing Uniswap traders who swap high volumes of tokens already on the platform, it could mean that they don't have to juggle a lot with liquidity being lack. It is also less tax implication for the traders. So it just makes trading much more simpler, which is great. The article also goes on to talking about Genie, which is the NFT aggregator on Uniswap, and it talks about the very low trading volume that they are getting in their platform, even though Uniswap have something like 4.8 million total users in their NFT aggregators. There are only 16,000 sellers and 5,000 buyers. So it's very, very low. They basically are not even making a mark in the graph here, which may bring me to the latest stories that we have been developing between OpenSea and Blur. So basically here in this website, June.com, where you can revise various analytics, you have here some of the NFTs marketplaces and how they're doing in terms of value market share. So Blur currently makes up 81% of the total volume being traded, and OpenSea, which was the main monopoly in NFT trades, is actually just barely making it to second place with 13.7%. So that is amazing how another company can just come and take that marketplace, something that a lot of other projects were trying to do when OpenSea was being so successful, but they couldn't. And here comes Blur and basically just takes the market by the storm. Here on another graph, trades market share, we also have Blur being the leader here with 57.3% and OpenSea on a second place with 34.4%. And still on trader count, we have the OpenSea still have the biggest number of traders. However, Blur is coming up and catching with them very quickly. And you have to think from the point of view that OpenSea have been on for a few years now, and a lot of people were using that platform, were using that marketplace to buy and sell NFTs, and obviously it's going to take a while until everybody switches to another place, to another marketplace. However, if we can see here in the graph, Blur is coming up second place, very quickly catching up with OpenSea. All right, so that's pretty much all for today. Just bringing you some of the latest news we have within crypto and also some trends that I'm seeing that are developing within the crypto environment. If you like this type of content, I will encourage you to click like and subscribe for future videos, and I will see you on the next one. Thanks.